Hello traders, welcome to my channel. Today, with much satisfaction, I am releasing my own Elliott wave course, Waves Leads the Price. I will explain in detail the description and contents of this course in this video. So why this course? First of all, many subscribers and followers asked me a course on Elliott wave, and they are asking me from past 1 year. Due to personal reasons, I postponed it. I have attended 3 courses on Elliott wave, spending more than 70,000 rupees, but mostly I learned theory part of the Elliott wave. While analyzing in real-time charts, I faced many difficulties because I not learned in practical way. So I know the pain of facing difficulties during the live analysis and going wrong. So I decided if I want to give a course, it should be in 100% practical way, and that's why I used 350 plus charts in this Elliott wave course. And you know already that even my YouTube videos will be in practical way, and I showed you the power of Elliott waves by identifying the support and resistances, and that too precisely, not 1 or 2 times but multiple times. I explained all the key things in identifying the turning points of waves in this course with multiple examples. So you can also do the same, and I made it very simple. So now, what are the objectives of this course? Yes, of course, making money and creating wealth through the financial market is the main objective of this course. And my main intention and objective is making you become independent analyst and trader. To be very clear, you should not depend on any other analyst, and that includes me as well. Just imagine how long one can help you or how long you can depend on other analysts. Only you know your situation. You can be a short-term trader or a swing trader or a positional trader or an investor. Only you know your need. So my intention is you should be independent trader or an analyst. And this course is prepared in such a way that you can be any type of trader. That is, you can be a short-term trader or a swing trader or a positional trader or an investor. And you can analyze and trade as per your need, and that too with confidence and conviction. And I guarantee that. So why we are learning the Elliott waves? To get the best risk reward entry in each and every trade or investment. In this course, I not taught you the general trading. I explained step by step process of taking entry for each and every wave in the Elliott waves. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in an impulse and ABC in a correction. Elliott wave is basically a study about the market itself. That is, the price mostly move as per the waves, and this is how the price action behaves. That's why I firmly believe waves leads the price. So once you understand the market behavior, you will not get fear in the fall or greed in the top, because you can identify the bottom and top well before happening, so you can take informed decision. So these are the objectives of this course. So now the contents of this course, what you will learn from this course. There are 9 modules and 30 videos for this course. Here are the contents. I am just giving the overall contents of this course. First, you will learn why we need Elliott wave and what is its main purpose. Then the complete Elliott wave cycle. Remember, everything are explained in real charts. No single concept in theory. Everything are in practical and explained in charts. An important topic, rules of Elliott waves. I spend more time here since this is the basic foundation of Elliott waves. Discuss all the probabilities and what is right and wrong. In this end of the session itself, you can count the impulse waves from monthly, weekly, daily, hourly, 15 minutes or even 1 minute chart. Then you will learn the corrective patterns in a very detailed way. I give more importance to the corrective patterns. All secrets to become an expert in Elliott wave lies in the understanding the corrective patterns. Here you will learn even right from basics like when you need to count ABC and when you need to start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a corrective pattern. These are the things I faced issues in earlier stages. So in-depth analysis on corrective wave pattern like zigzag, flats, triangles and complex corrections. And the Elliott waves unique pattern diagonals and all the guidelines of wave theory are explained with multiple real life examples. Now we focus on the magical fib numbers. We learn these fib numbers in very detailed way because it plays very important role. So we start with how to use the fib tools, right? For retracements, for projections, to identify the turning points of each and every wave. And we study the important fib number for each and every wave, and you will know the important fib numbers for all the 8 waves. And again, more examples and more concepts in corrective patterns. We will analyze the corrective patterns in subwaves too for identifying the turning point or end of a correction. Now, we learn the most important secret or practical methods of identifying the most precise levels, right? Precise levels of support and resistance using the fib numbers. This is the method I use to identify the levels which you already know how it works. You will learn each wave target including extending wave 3s and precise level of endpoint of wave 5s. And moreover, few things you cannot find in textbooks, like each and every wave will give clue for the next wave. That's why I said you can find the turning points or tops and bottoms well before it's happening. Everything I showed in the real-time charts. Now we focus on trading the waves. Analysis is different and trading is different. Even though we equip with the more knowledge, we use different strategies to give entries as per the Elliott waves. We will study right from what waves to trade, what not to trade, detailed analysis on entry, stop loss, target for each and every wave. We will decode trading of each and every waves 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and ABC. A step-by-step approach to trade each waves. You can see the topic-wise session in the website to understand how in-depth it has been given. A separate session for each and every wave with even minute checks before giving an entry. Then how to identify the tops and bottoms in stock charts, and if you are Nifty Bank Nifty trader or any index trader, there is a separate session in identifying the top and bottom in indices. See, everything are explained with real charts and not theory alone. And we use only wave theory and Fibs so far to take entry and exit. This is the reason I am calling it as the purest form of Elliott wave trading. At the same time, there is a separate session how to use the RSI indicator to support the Elliott wave to identify the turning points. There are 4 types of RSI divergences and explain all with the real-time examples. These are highly helpful in identifying the turning points and it should be used along with the Elliott waves as a supporting factor. And also, how to use the candlestick pattern with the Elliott waves. Why candlestick patterns are not working most of the time. It will be answered. Discussed how to use the candlestick patterns and when to use the candlestick patterns for its effective usage and purpose. Finally, we discuss the few key points to be always remembered while using the waves and discussed in detail the risk management and handling the trade through the Elliott waves. So these are the contents of this course. But wait, the best part is your learnings will not stop even after the end of this course. This is my gift to you. This course validity is for 1 year and you will get real-time chart analysis videos every month for a period of 1 year. These videos can be new learnings or scanners for chart selection or any turning points of a particular chart or index or commodities, right? Any chart which is ready to give a turn. Other special features are 350 plus charts has been used in this course part and 15 plus hours of training alone. You can identify the turning points, that is end point of each wave precisely, in-depth and step-by-step approach. Even minute level of analysis also explained. For example, using the techniques, you will be ready with the level to buy or short. Even I explained the last minute check for confirmed entry. Many things in this course you cannot find in textbooks. All are my practical approach and years of learnings. And there is no further stages in this course. You will learn everything in this one course, one stage itself. With this course, you can save at least 1 to 2 years in learning curve and you can reach your goal sooner. Regarding the fees, I have spent more than 70,000 in various Elliott Waves courses and mostly I learned the theory. I know the pain of paying fees for the theory part alone. So that's why I made it 100% practical way. There are courses where you should learn level 1, level 2, level 3 and goes on. Here, this is only one level and it will be one-stop solution for all your Elliott Wave queries. And you are going to learn the most advanced and usable course and you can apply all these things in real-time charts. I even explain how you need to think in advance to predict the future price action. So simply, you are going to learn the purest form of Elliott Wave trading. Please click the link for this course which I have been given in the description of this video, or simply you can visit my website magicfibs.com and explore the content of this course where you can understand the entire content in detail. You can register and can start learning this course immediately and the course validity is for 1 year. Be ready to see the magic in your charts. Please share this to your friends and other traders so they can also learn this practical Elliott Wave course. Yes, so far you have listened the contents of the video which I posted in the previous year, that is on 2024. Now the best get even better. Yes, the course has been upgraded for better experience and better trading results. See, the course has been upgraded with 6 live sessions in 1 year validity. So basically, we will have a live sessions every 2 months once. We will be discussing your doubts and chart discussions, your clarifications, everything live. Okay. And initially, the email support for doubts is planned only for that particular validity period, that is 1 year. Now it has been extended till the lifetime. Yes. Once you become a learner in Magic Fibs, your doubts will be resolved for lifetime. Okay, so lifelong email support for doubts. And when the course was released, there were 30 sessions with 15 plus hours of learning. Now the course contents have 45 sessions with 21 plus hours of learning, and it will keep increasing. So anyone can learn Elliott Waves. So if you're 100% new to the Elliott Waves, don't worry, you will learn the most practical way of trading the Elliott Wave methods, right? So due to this course upgradation and additional learnings, the price has been revised, but the discount is offered now, and the discount validity period is 31st October, but few subscribers asked for some extension until this weekend. So the discount has been extended till 2nd November. So we have only 2 days of discount. So if you want to learn the purest form of Elliott Wave, you can register the Waves Leads the Price. And if you want to learn the technical analysis, Master the Markets, you can register this Master the Market course, and both are available at discount. And if you register package, I mean both the courses, you will get the additional discount, and the maximum discount amount of 6,000 has been offered in this package. Okay, so remember, the discount is offered only for just 2 days, and the most important thing is the course is 5-star rated. Okay, full 5-star rated. You can check the website and check the reviews of other learners. So use this opportunity to register the most practical Elliott Wave course. Okay, don't miss out. I have explained in my many videos that the intention of creating this course is to make you independent, right? We need to be independent and we should not rely on anyone. That includes me as well. So once you understand the markets on your own, no news, no noise, and no one can shake your confidence. Yes, that is true. So trust yourself, be independent, and trade peacefully. Register the course. I give all details in the description. You are going to learn the purest form of Elliott Wave trading. The waves leads the price. Check the description for more details. Thank you. Thanks for all your support. My best wishes to everyone, and I wish you all the success in the financial markets. Thank you. Take care. Happy learning. Bye.